So, ining panahon na, I would like to declare that by the authority of the government vested upon me and as a faithful minister of the Lord Jesus Christ, under the banner of the Grace Beyond Borders, Philippines, I hereby pronounce that Norville and Maricel is now husband and wife. Lakpakan! Beloved parents, atod sa ilaang journey ng mga parents, I would like you to stand up. And with the pledge of the sponsors or witnesses, may I request you to stand up. Si Norville ug si Maricel ang may makahuluganon kayong relasyon sa inyong kinabuhi karong adlaw. Kung sa nagtanaw sila ninyo, ilang gitanaw, unon sa mo kamahigugmaon sa inyong pagpuyo sa kinabuhi. We use that an example and ways to be. May you would continue to be